Okay, I wanted to show you guys how to find Photoshop and then how to save a file and send it to me. Some people are having problems. Either the file is too big or they can't send it to me. So the first thing I want you to do is, if you don't see Photoshop or Adobe on your desktop, I want you to go down to this little magnifying glass, hit that, and start to type in Photoshop. And you should see it pop up here. If this doesn't pop up, let me know. All right, we can maybe find a way for you to get it, do a trial, or find some other way that you will be able to edit these photos, because one of the last projects that we're going to be doing, you're definitely going to need Photoshop to do this. So once this boots up, and of course you can use your phone to take pictures now if you need to, because I know some of you, your SD card reader in the computer is not working. So let me know about that as well. But then you can take your photos on your phone, send them to yourself through an email, save it to your desktop, and then when you get into Photoshop, once this opens. Okay, so here's Photoshop. Photoshop's now open. You're going to go up to File and open your photo. Find it on your desktop, find it wherever you put your photo. So here's a lot of my photos on desktop. Again, you could change the view of them so you could see them a little bit better. And let's just pull this one open. So here I have my photo. I could do any of my editing to it, and then once I'm done editing, I'm going to, in fact, let me just duplicate the layer so I could show you something. So if you have layers in here and you go to File and you go to Save As, all right, now you're here. This is going to be saving it to the desktop. Name it your name and then whatever project it is, macro, reflection, whatever else, and then make sure you save as a different type. Make sure you save as a JPEG, just a regular JPEG, not the 2000, not the stereo, just a regular JPEG. Okay? Then press save. And now this is going to pop up, and what I want you to do is, we were putting this at the maximum because we were planning to print these out. Now that you have to send them to me over email and through the computer, make it a low file. Okay? So bring this down to like a 3 or a 4 and then press OK. Okay? Now once you have that, now it should be on your desktop. There it is, your name and the project. When you go into your email, let me just switch because I have Google email. Go into your email. Compose a new email. Come on, it's a thinking. My email is alightchuck@upsd.org. Tell what project it is. Then hit the little attach file, the little thing that looks like a paperclip. Go into desktop where you saved it. Click on that, press open. Now it should be a smaller file that you should be able to send no problem. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know, but that should fix any of your problems that you're having. Alrighty? So thank you guys, and talk to you soon.